Hello friends, welcome to Learn Report. This is your one day, one step series. In this episode, we are going to see what is data types in Python. So let's begin with the question. Why this word data types? Okay, let's give a real life example. As you can see, we are having a solid, liquid and gas. How we can store it? For solid, even a room, empty space is enough, right? For a liquid, we need a container, right? As well as same for the gases also, right? So when it comes to programming, we are having boolean, integer, float with a decimal point. We are having a word. We are having a complex integer, right? We are having different types of what we can say data types. The types of the values we call it a data types. And why we are in need of this, that we are going to study in the next episode, which is interpretation and compilation, right? So what it does, we will see that in the next episode. We will continue with this, right? You got it? The different type of value is called a data types in Python, right? So here we are having primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data type in numerical, boolean, and string. In numerical, we are having integer, complex, right? And boolean and string. In non-primitive data types, we are having list, tuple, dictionary, set, fortune set, bytes, byte array, and memory view, right? So these all are the data types in Python. In our next episode, we are going to see each of these in detail. And so these are the data types. So what happens? See, when you are running a program, when you are running a program, wait a minute. When you are running a program, right? You run it, right? You run it. It will stores in a memory, right? It will stores in a memory for making it efficient. We can't set a string has a 2-bit value and we can't store same, like we can't allocate the same memory for float also, for string also, right? In that purpose we are basically saying it is an integer, right? Int integer. So you have to store this in a 4-byte memory, in a 4-byte memory. If it is a boolean, 1 byte is enough, right? One bit is very enough, right? We are having 1 and 0. So that's why we are studying this data types. What are we are doing? Basically, we are telling the compiler, sorry, interpreter, that store this value according to its specifications. That's it. So this is our end of our video. As I have a target, we are going to study only 5 minutes per day. So these all are the categories. We are having primitive, integer, float, string, and boolean. In non-primitive sector, we are having array, list, tuples, dictionary, set, and files. Okay. So at end of your video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Our next topic is data types in detail. And next topic is we are going to see what is this compilation and interpretation. Oh, it is different from compiler and interpreter. It is compilation and interpretation, right? Okay, guys, stay curious. Thanks for watching, guys.